Tnad Corporation jong ka Sorkar jela menta ka sngi kala penlong ya ka program plipaj ba ya ka Cooperative Week hajar punriu ha Prime Hub Umdihar Riboy District ha ka balawan man plipaj ba do menteri ka Tnad Corporation ka Sorkar jela uba Methodius dekhar kumukong san ka jing Rakhe ya ka ne ka Cooperative Week ka dei shibenta ban penklanya ya ka jingdon benta jong ki Cooperative Society ha ka bai dei ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot bat ka jing penroi ki kam sakri paj ba lengba ki rukom tre kam jong ki Cooperative ha ka ne ka sngi lawan man ya shibenta lang da o MLA ka nongpo uba Meral Bons im u MLA ka umsning u Dr. Celestine Langdo urang ba snong ka snong Umdihar uba Romel Langdo kinong tre Sorkar lembat kinong mikmat na ki Cooperative Society bapher ha ka ne ka program la pelai ru ya ka e-newsletter bat ka RCS office portal jong ka Tnad ban wanra ai ki rukom tre kam ki ba khamstet ki ba khamshai bat ki bayadei bat ka ne ka jok ka bamta ha ka ne ka sngi la pan ku burom ru ya ki Cooperative Societies ki bala tre bha ya ki kam jong ki nalor ka ta ki la panlong ru ya ka health cam bat ka jing jurip ya ki stall jong ki Cooperative Societies ki balai shibanta ha ka ne ka program
As you know, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and now being headed, this department, the Cooperation Department, is being headed by the Union Minister of our country, Mr. Amit Shah ji. And when it was founded, Habangi Shem, Bapak Mengistangi Kaniko Cooperation Department, Menchua kumbail ong in Dr. Celestine Mane, but kumbong in MLA na po nong po Mane. Bakit Cooperation Department kadon lang bat kuwi ke department kamdon nila ka jong ka ministry. Tenre kinakaliw jo ka Sorkar India, the government of India feel the need that the Cooperation Department need to have its own ministry. So it was established only in 2021, and at present there are lots of initiatives that's being taken by the department. Many times we have been called to Delhi to participate in many of the programs and the initiatives taken by the ministry. And from the state government, we are being asked to formulate and to form the policy for the department. And the draft policy is still under progress. We are almost on the verge of completion, and in this next coming 1 or 2 months, I believe we will be able to place that to the cabinet for the approval for the policy of the Cooperation Department for the state of Meghalaya. Pada kini kipor kibaladam nagaliang jong Cooperation Department. And why did the government of India start its own ministry? What is the objective of the central government? The central government looked at the cooperative society, at the VCS, at the CLF, as the vehicle for self-reliant India. Lani kabangi onga katin kasi kata kidi kisalentem na benta banwanra ya karoy kapar ya kari India hi barok kawai. Berkebak kampung san kabangi ong kisalentem kata kumut ba kisalentem lani kita ki kenjah kali kipala banwanra ya karoy kapar syabaro kamtame ya kinong kendong kinong kendong lani pai ba no sonong jungi ki ba im sha kinong kendong di prepare kumene ki pa ki ni po akasken ba kidon le se kadon kata kachinge haba ngistang ye kini ki society lani ba ngidon cheki sinong ki prepare kita ki rural villages po Meghalaya Andrei nakaliang jo central government but cooperation department but nakaliang jo government jo Meghalaya ro mentang ngidon kaching anglot but ngidon kaching yoi ba kini ki cooperative society but kini ki self help group but kini ki CLF but kiwi cooperation kinla ban yaram ban penio ya kicing mentoi ki ba hop ya kinong song sunang sa ki chakra ki prepare